Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to delete your Snapchat account. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your Snapchat app. Here we go. Your profile appears. Now go to the settings which is given at the top right corner. Tap on that. Now scroll down to the bottom and choose the option delete account. Tap on that. Now enter your password here. After you are done, tap on yellow icon continue. Here I go. Here your Snapchat account has been deactivated, but after 30 days also you don't use your Snapchat account, it will be deleted permanently. In this way you can deactivate as well as delete your Snapchat account permanently. I hope this video helped you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.